then you immediately, once you sit down, close and open, what it did to me was sort of create a sense of I am here and I am inside. I'm inside. I know I'm here, but I'm not here. So I'm going to take this as a moment to be inside. Kind of sense of like being in like a Buddhist mindset, you know? Which is very hard for me to achieve that kind of clarity. But it gives you a sense like you're really connecting with nature and connecting with something from another world, not human, not of Earth, but a sense of connecting with something else.
You get to experience it yourself, and you, in a safe way, you go through this journey where you don't have to be an expert in art to feel. You just have to be a human being. And yeah, I think it's a really special place and a really incredible journey that you allow people to experience. Really awesome.
There is a physical sensation that equals this philosophical conception, which is the feeling of just being present, allowing to be where you are with whatever comes up, whatever it comes up, what do you feel, and sort of like a stillness, I would say. And ended with the embryo, ended with the feeling of being inside the womb with these whale-like sounds and feeling almost locked inside, but not forced to be there, but voluntarily to be protected in a way.
My first sense was, okay, it's beautiful colors, but then after maybe a minute, as I analyzed the figures, they started turning into more meaningful figures, like the womb, the tree. I started seeing more galaxies, the crystals, so that gave me a sense of peace. And then it just brought me into a sense of presence.
As I said, it really reminded me books for kids, which were very popular in Russia to develop your imagination, because from start I only saw the universe with different planets and stars, and then in some time I started to see the faces, and it felt like I'm in the middle or on a scene, like theater scene. Yeah, and you can feel many different emotions just in a few minutes. You're starting to be relaxed, and then you don't feel the time. Just to know more about yourself, I was curious about what can I see, and I was surprised about the result.
I felt safe, felt very safe and protected in that room. When the lights came on, it took my breath away. I saw many images. It was almost just like looking into the clouds that I hadn't seen, you know, as a child. You know, it just grew. It just grew, and it's as though I felt soul work going on in myself, within myself. I feel connected. I wish I could take it with me in my pocket, and I will, because I like the memory, you know, the surprise. So many of the surprise elements that it was just overflowing with emotion in this black room, in these black clothes. There's just so much light that can be appreciated.